Khloe Kardashian and daughter True bake cookies. Khloe Kardashian shows off messy kitchen as daughter True bake cookies.
Today we're making cinnamon bread.
Cinnamon raisin bread.
Bread from home.
From scratch. Let me see your cute face. Wow, someone's getting really into it, right? Cutie.
And these are the blueberry muffins.
Yes.
Really
And we've made blueberry
And
muffins.
we're gonna do a lemonade
And tomorrow, the lemonade stand before school starts. Ooh, don't they smell so good?
Yeah.
Tatum's gonna love it, huh?
Look at me.
You in?
And flour.
Yes.
Blueberry over here.
No.
Thanks for watching video.